Going to college in 2020 is going to look a little different. At DCU, we will have a hybrid delivery of online and classroom learning. Luckily, DCU has been providing online learning for over 25 years, so our students are in experienced hands. Let's have a look at what you can expect. Through our online Loop portal, you can access the online lectures, assignments, discussion forums, case studies, and quizzes. You will attend online lectures in real time or watch them later that day.
Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to DCU and welcome to the Moot Court lecture.
Once we are in the classroom, we can ask questions, chat privately and take notes. We are often broken up into breakout rooms to chat and discuss questions on a peer-to-peer level. It's a great way to get to know your new classmates as well. A big part of the DCU student learning experience will be using slides, polls and quizzes. Our teaching will be visual, conversational and interactive. In the safest way possible, DCU will ensure you get the student experience that we are known for. We look forward to seeing you in September.
Thank you. Bye.